Hey guys, what's up? Your friendly neighbourhood Fledge here, and I'm bringing you my second episode of the Fully Fledged Survival. In this episode, I will be hoping to carry on with the house, but the main thing I'm looking forward to doing is completing my my doorbell, and I don't have any redstone torches. So let's just venture back and forth because I don't need torches from there. I have wood. So I don't need that many. I just need to not use note blocks next time. I use actual wood, like that. There we go. I don't put them on top of each other. You fool. Oh, God. Right, so there we go. I've got 2 redstone torches. That should be all I need for that. I don't know if I want a wooden button or a stone button. I think I'm going to go with a wooden one for now. Just take a look. I mean, that's, it's inexpensive, so I can at least see what it looks like. Against, it stands out better, so I think I'm going to use that. It just stands out against the doors much better. So, right, let's begin. I need to place it. I'm going to put it here so I don't set the door off when it's pressed. Right, so let's do this, shall we? It's going to come out of there. So, the signal, that is. So I'm going to put a redstone torch there, and that should... Yeah, of course that would work. Right. So, let's get the rest sorted. I've got my dirt. That's not dirt. I don't have my dirt. Yes, I do have dirt. So, there we go. Let's just get this started in here. Let's get it started. I have plenty of space I can do underground, I guess. So if I was to put this, I'm used to having much more space when it comes to making this, so that's not gonna work, is it? Let's just try this. Oh, it does work, but I don't want it like that. I don't want it. I want it to do this. No, go away. Fag it. Me. Let's just try and no. Why you do this? Thank you. I was hoping it works. Put it on top of it like that, and hopefully that should work. No. Nope. 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 Oh well. I was never the best in electrics class. So let's just do this again, shall we? Wait. And let's try it like that. No, nay, nah. This is gonna be annoying. Oh, and we're getting to night time now as well. So well, that works. Night. You know what, I'll just stick it up here. Like this. Like that. So it goes bing, like that, almost before I even pressed it. Now, if I'm right, that should mean that that didn't work. Well, the fun life, eh? Now, if I put that here and shift that across, is this going to... No, that still works. And it transports the current, which is what I need. Just get a redstone repeater. I'm still trying to kind of experiment with redstone, find out what works, what doesn't, and what not. So that still works. That works brilliantly. So if I put that there, and no, you're not gonna change for me. Oh, I don't know if you can break these with your bare hands or not, but yeah. So I'm not a redstone god. I'm not gonna say I am. I'm still learning how to work it. Right, that works. So. No. That's not it, is it? I'm tone deaf. No! Alright, I'm just going to test it one by one. There we go, that's what I want. So, we have the doorbell. Very, very badly in place. That's huge for a doorbell system. That's actually horribly big. I don't want this. I don't want this, mommy. If I put a redstone repeater here, this isn't gonna work. I'm just, again, trying new things and whatnot. Cause it didn't work that time, did it? When I placed it there. What if I no. Oh. I don't like the size of it. I'm pretty sure I did a smaller version at one point as well. I guess I'm just gonna have to do it like same sort of level. Cough and whatnot. Right, so I'm gonna have to stick you over here. There we go. So that should still work. Oh, why not? Why no work? Oh, of course. It's not at the right height. You're gonna get fed up listening to these. There we go. Right, that should work now. And it's reasonably small. It's not, is it? It's not reasonably small whatsoever. That's what she said to me. When I gouged her eyes out with my huge fingers, I heard a Skeletor. No. Okay. My lord. Stop. Right. Oh, my lord. He's gonna get me anyway. No! Going in. Yeah! Of course you'd be here. Alright, let's just shimmy away. Oh my god, that zombie has enchanted leather armor. Thank you. Wah. Not much of a PvE person, so let's just Alright, no, I didn't see you there either. Let's just have some food. Do I have any food on me? Yeah, stay away from me. You're in gold armor. I don't like that. Right. I think I should probably retreat home. But I want to get this done. You're coming for me. Holding your own flesh. Take that. Very quickly. Try and. Of course. Thank you. Put some stone there too. I think I might put some glass there just to kind of show it off. I'm gone. Of course. Let's get rid of you. Okay, there's more than one of you going for me. Let's just leave. I'm not well kitted considering it's me. That means I'm not a good fighter at all. So there we go. I'm in the safety of my own home. That's boring. So that's full. Let's just drop everything else in here. Don't want to lose my diary actually, so are you ready for this? We're gonna go out fighting. Right. Should have brought some food with me, but you know what? Don't matter. Let's just go kill things. Let's go kill. Enderman. Nah, I don't care about you. I want the Enderman. Right, you come over here. Right, I heard somewhere... I don't like that noise at all. I've heard you have to hit their feet, so... There we go, I got a pearl. Ah! Nah! I'm happy with that. Just wanted a pearl. For some reason. For no reason whatsoever, actually. It's just... Well, I need them to go to the end and stuff. But I just felt like fighting an enderman there. With no intention of getting a pearl. Oh, I missed the door because of that torch. Let's put the pearl in there. Do I have anything reasonably helpful in there? No. Is that pigman still here? Oh, God. No, seems to have gone. Which is good. Right, we've got the sunrise coming, so let's just go spectate. Watch them burn. That should be funny. Watch these guys just burn into oblivion. See if I can bring him over here quickly. Come on, son. There we go. I don't like that sound. Well, I found my new tactic. It's fag tactic. The scaredy cat tactic. The one where you don't receive any damage whatsoever. But that's good. 2 ender pearls. God. Right. With it being daytime, I think I can get back to building now. Now I'm going to find my stuff. The stone, cobblestone. That's really all I need for now. I'm just going to go and make the lining around these pillars. I'm going to bring one of you with me. I'll bring 2 of you. Come with. You can protect me from any... Well, I need an ocelot, really. To scare away creepers. Because they're the only ones that survive the night. I mean, daytime, and spiders too, but, you know, spiders are easy as 1, 2, 3. Like that. There. Right, so, I was thinking of putting glass here so people could see that. Hey there, doggy. But for now, it's just... Sorry, how big is that? 3. So... Da 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 ba da da. What are you doing? Get rid of it. Right. Is that right? Doesn't. No, that's right. That's right. Yeah, that's good. Right. I think I'm gonna make just like 1 window. That's boring, isn't it? So probably for the rest of this episode, you're gonna watch me delete these blocks, which is fun, I know. But try curb your enthusiasm. Don't be spraying in the comments about you fapping over the fact I'm destroying a few blocks or whatnot. Doggy, don't even dare. You will hurt yourself, or more accurately, I will hurt you. So stay out of the way. I'm getting low on fungus. Oh, there's a spider there, dogs. Do you want to go get him? Let's go get him. Hey! Do you have any time to talk about our Lord Jesus Christ, Saviour? No! Go on, doggy. Ah, look at this dock. It's beautiful. Little dock. Dogs are getting wet now. Brilliant, dogs. Go on, dogs. Right. I don't know how long I've been doing this. My timer never started, so I'm going to end this here, guys. Thanks for watching. I guess... Well, I'm not going to end it here, am I? I've got to go get my... Oh, well, that's making everything slow. Got to go get my... diary. That's what I need. Going to probably eat up whilst I'm there. Well, not now, because I'm running out of time. So I don't know how long this one's been, because I forgot to set my my timer. So here we go. I just realised I didn't day 10 that. No. Okay. Day 11. Dear Dearie. Dear Diary. I have constructed the doorbell, but not without its problems. I am injured and scarred. Cool story. Yours sincerely, Fledge. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Ta-ta.